We all want to be happy. We want success, respect, a perfect life. But what if trying to be happy all the time is actually making you unhappy? In this video, you will learn the subtle art of not giving a f*** in simple English and understand how to focus on what really matters. The book starts with a powerful idea. Life is not perfect. Everyone has problems. Rich people have problems, poor people have problems. The difference is, good life equals better problems. So don't try to avoid problems. Choose better problems. We care too much. We care about what people think, social media, small issues. This creates stress. The book says, stop caring about everything. Care only about important things. This gives you peace. Your life depends on your values. If your values are wrong, your life becomes stressful. Example, if you value money only, you will never feel satisfied. Good values are growth, honesty, responsibility. Choose values that improve your life. You are responsible for your life. Even if something is not your fault, it is your responsibility to handle it. Blaming others does not help. Taking responsibility gives power. Failure is normal. Everyone fails. But most people are afraid of failure. They avoid trying new things. This stops growth. Successful people accept failure. They learn from it. This may sound harsh, but it is true. You are not special. And that is okay. When you accept this, you stop trying to prove yourself. You focus on real growth. Saying yes to everything is a problem. You lose time, energy, and focus. Successful people say no. They protect their time. They focus on what matters. Life is limited. One day it will end. This may sound negative, but it gives meaning to life. When you understand this, you start focusing on important things. So the message is simple. Don't try to be perfect. Don't care about everything. Focus on what truly matters. Accept problems. Take responsibility. Keep growing.